founder of Jungle Bells, an initiative dedicated to encouraging women to connect with nature through wildlife tours, awareness programs, and conservation activities. Over the years, my work has been focused on creating awareness about wildlife and habitats, especially among women and children, with the belief that love and respect for nature naturally leads to protection and conservation. This workshop has been organized jointly with the established career of Nature Walk Charitable Trust, who has been working tirelessly in the field of wildlife awareness and conservation, and Mr. Sanjay Deshpande, a passionate wildlifer, whose constant support has been invaluable in making this program and various other initiatives possible. The purpose of this media orientation workshop is very meaningful. Media and reporters play a pivotal role in shaping public perception. When it comes to wildlife and habitat conservation, accurate, sensitive, and responsible reporting is essential. Stories published in the press not only inform people but also inspire them to think, question, and act. Through this session, our aim is to share perspectives on how wildlife conservation issues can be communicated responsibly, why it is important to highlight both challenges and success stories, and how the media can help bridge the gap between forest policymakers and the citizens. I would request Mr. Sanjay Deshpande to felicitate Sanjeevani sir. He's here right now, so we complete with this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Also, somebody is going to be yes. Yes. Anuj.
Thank you.